Hey guys, and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope for April 21 to 27 para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising sign na Libra. So, if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Kung hindi nyo po alam yung sun, moon, at rising sign nyo po at the end of the video, we have a link for this. Panoorin nyo na po. Tandaan natin the readings will be for guidance purposes, so use your viewing wisely. And guys, I'm also inviting you po to click the join button sa baba kasi meron po tayong mga extended readings and other benefits. Para ma-access nyo po yun, you need to be a member. Click nyo po yung join button. For private readings and spell works, you can message your page at may admin po tutulong sa inyo. For sa mga gusto kong bigyan ng donation, you can use the thanks button naman sa baba. Libra. So we have here, kumusta ka? The Ace of Swords and Blessed. Alam mo, minsan talagang hirap na, ito yung siguro napansin ko din na common na problem ng mga air elementals. They're, hirap nilang, nahihirapan kayo na minsan i-absorb na the universe can be good to you. Andoon na kasi, minsan, simple yung mga bagay, pero yung isipan nyo masyadong ginagawang complicated. Ino-overanalyze nyo, na-overthink nyo, nakikriticize nyo masyado itong mga bagay na to. So, andito pinapakita sa akin ng cards na your heart is telling that you are good, that you are in a place, o nasa position ka na everything is doing fine, pero nahihirapan i-absorb ng mind mo, ng logic mo, maayos sa mga bagay-bagay. So, your battlefield is actually your mind. Merong disconnect between your heart and your mind, which is, kung titignan natin sa ating mga chakras, ang gitna niyan is the throat chakra. This is where, about yung throat chakra natin, this is about speaking the truth. This is about what is real, sabi natin. And nabablock siya because of lies. So this is the part that you need to focus on. Ano yung mga kailangan mo sabihin sa sarili mo? Or sabihin ng heart mo, ano yung mga bino-voice ng heart mo? Make it verbal. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo. So that your mind can fully absorb, your mind can understand it. Para yung isipan mo, mas makapture niya what's really going on in the heart. And generally kasi madalas talaga merong disconnect ang heart tsaka ang mind eh. Pero andoon na this disconnect that you have, it's causing a lot eh. Nagkakos ng blockages na sa'yo. And ano ba yung pwedeng naging crossing mo din? So we have here the 7 of Cups and No Place Like Home. So, these cards are actually showing then as well. Na yun nga, sometimes the heart, meron yung, hindi ka na pagdamay naalala ko, na the heart has reasons that the mind, parang ganon. May, yung pinaka-bottom line nun, kumala yung pinaka-quote na merong mga reasons ang heart natin na hindi maintindihan ng mind. May mga kayang arukin ng puso natin na hindi maiintindihan ng isipan natin. And isa sa mga bagay na hindi may hirapang intindihan ng isipan natin is yung tinatawag nating faith. Andun kasi na, masyadong, siguro din yung point, Libra, na yung mind mo is very protective din sa'yo, about you. So, andoon na, the universe is, or your mind is trying to make sure na safe ka in terms of your emotions, safe ka in terms of your heart, na parang andoon na, parang sakit na ganun na iniisip nung katawan natin na mismo tayo is yung kalaban, na mismo tayo sakit. So andun yung point that the universe is trying to make sure na maintindihan ng mind mo that yung ina-accept mo o yung mga tatanggapin mo, yung blessings, the breakthroughs, na deserve mo. Yung mga masisisi kasi with the card of No Place Like Home, you lost the sense of security Ang feeling mo parang a lot of people are trying to attack you. Even yung history mo na rin din kasi. sa mga na-encounter mo sa mga tao. Pero it does not mean na lahat ng tao ganon. Isang bagay na kailangan hayaan mong maintindihan ng mind mo. Now, yung desire card mo kasi is the devil tsaka clean it up. Alam mo, making yourself busy, yun yung desire mo. Kapag-busy na lang ako para hindi ko maisip or hindi mo mapansin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero kasi making yourself busy will not make the problem go away. Yun yung isang bagay, ha? Hindi dahil na hindi natin pinapansin na isang bagay, aalis to. Hindi naman to isang makulit na tao or isang makulit na bata na pag hindi mo binigyan attention, mawawala. No. Problems are meant to be solved. Hindi man natin alam yung solution. Pero, why not ask the universe? Na instead na magpapaka-busy ka, instead na bugbugin mo yung sarili mo sa mga ibang bagay, why not give yourself the chance to listen kung ano ba talaga yung direction na binibigay ng universe for you. Doon ka mag-focus. Doon ka tumingin. And if you don't know kung ano yung gagawin mo, as simple as ask. Huwag mong gawing komplikado. Huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo. Yes, your mind may see that this thing is complicated, but allow this time your heart to lead you. Yung foundation mo, we have your by the book, tsaka si Ace of Wands. Okay. Ito yun one thing naintindihan ko dito sa cards mo din, is doon na, nakita mo rin kasi, ano mo nakita ng mga wrong things na nangyari sa ibang mga tao, na parang natakot ka kasi they took the risk. Na parang, sige, susundin ko tong kung saan ako dinadala ng universe. Na nakita mo kung paano nasira yung iba sa kanila, paano sila nahirapan. Yun yung nakikita mo. You saw the initial results. Pero kasi, ang mga hindi mo nakita dito is meron silang purging na nagaganap. Na meron, kaya yung first part, what they are experiencing, yung nakita mo, is actually included doon sa process ng universe. They are being cleansed para maging suitable or maging capable sila of receiving yung parating na mga blessings from the universe. Parang ganito yun eh. Would you give a knife sa isang 5 years old na bata para magluto? Of course not. Doon tayo sa, we will need to have a person who is matured enough in mind, emotions, motor skills para ihayati mag-handle, diba, ng mga sharp objects. Same thing din. Yung mga nakita mo is the initial part. Hindi mo napansin nun yung after nun, how they have become. So, yun yung pinapansin ng universe. Don't fixate na sa nakita mo lang. There's always a story behind every story. Tingnan natin yung ano mo, sa past mo. Page of Swords, tsaka si Chopwood. Yun na nga. Sometimes, yun, gusto mo siguro, one of the things na desire ng isang Libra is merong stability or yung pagiging predictive ng nature na kung saan alam mo yung pwedeng next na mangyari. Alam mo yung mga outcomes na kapag ito yung ginawa, this will be the outcome. You want to have a controlled environment. Pero, andun kasi na, yun yung isa binibreak sa ng universe eh. You need to get out of that shell. Kailangan mo lumabas doon sa mindset na ito na yung good para sa, ito yung predictive na mangyayari, ito yung gusto mo mangyari, ito yung nakita mo, ito yung dinidesire mo. Pero, iba yung plan ng universe. The universe goes out doon, lumalabas siya doon sa normal things na alam natin. The universe breaks the rules, to be honest. Yun yung nakakatuwa sa kanya. And at the end, once na sinundan mo yung universe, you will find yourself na parang, sana pala dapat matagal ko nang ginawa to. Kasi andoon that you will experience new things that eventually will help you to reach a better version of yourself. And not only that, magkakaroon ka ng mga breakthrough in terms of, hala, pwede pala to, hala, nakilala ko yung ganito, or hala, natutunan ko itong mga bagay na to. you will have that hala moments na, ay, worth it pala siya. Now, yung possible future na ikaw, we have the Queen of Cups and happy. Libra, medyo andun pa rin na this will be a struggle eh. Hindi naman kasi, wala naman tayo sa Harry Potter universe na isang wave ng magic wand, magkakaroon agad ng changes. Meron tayong tinatawag yung delay of time. And meron tayong tinatawag na free will. Na kung saan the universe is respecting it. So, pinapakita ito ng cards that in the future, yes, you will still have struggles na intindihin yung mga bagay-bagay. You will still have that struggle na i-embrace yung pinapakitang reality sa'yo ng universe. Pero ito yung masaya. Yung struggles, it develops strength. It gives us power. Parang, di ba? Yung mga nagbubuhat ng bakal sa gym. It's a struggle of what they're doing. And at the end, sila yung magbe-benefit kapag naging consistent sila. Because nagbe-build yung katawan nila. And nagbe-build yung muscles nila. And they feel more powerful. They feel more empowered. They feel strength in their life. And dagdag pa lang, of course, the confidence, the whole 9 yards na. So, look at it in a positive perspective. Okay? So guys, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings, tanda meron po tayo mga extended readings. To access it, at yung iba mga benefits, i-click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba to support also our channel. For now, tuloy mo yung reading mo. Now, yung physical environment mo we have here is the King of Swords and the Co-Create. Dude, it's time that you expand as well yourself. Yes, it's a reality that ang mga Libras, you guys are very smart. Siguro isa niya sa mga bagay niya. Ang galing nyo sa decision making kasi na-analyze yung mga bagay-bagay. However, napala sa'yo ng King of Swords siya ng Co-Create, kailangan mo lumabas doon sa comfort zone mo. Explore, meet people, listen to stories, expose yourself to new ideas. Andoon, hayaan mo yung sarili mo na makilala mo yung sarili mo through the eyes of other people. Hayaan mo magkaroon ka ng different avenue or different aspect na makita mo yung mga bagay ito from the eyes of other people as well. Remember, I think sa Revelations yata yun. Sabi doon, for we know in part, or sa 1 Corinthians, di ako sure. But sabi doon, for we know in part, and we prophesy in part. Meaning, the universe allows us to have a certain knowledge, certain wisdom na unique sa atin. Pero meron din yung iba. Hindi ibig sabihin na may alam akong ganito, special na ako. Yes, I am special, but you are also special. He is special, she is special. Lahat ay special because we have that uniqueness. And you coming towards and connecting in collaboration with other people, it allows to bring a better you and a better world. Actually, yun yung gift mo sa mundong ito eh. Now, your emotional environment we have here is the Treasure Island, tsaka si Knight of Wands. Huwag ka matakot na to pursue your dream. Isa pa yan na kailangan mong bigyang pansin. Give yourself the time. Alam mo yung parang balikan, i-heal mo yung inner child mo na, alam nung bata ako, ang desire ko talaga is matutong magbike. Mga simpleng bagay. Pumunta sa gantong lugar. Ma-experience na, pumunta sa Kingdom. Or ma-experience ng solo travel papunta dito sa Baguio. Those are the things that you need to give yourself the time. Kasi, doon na kapag hinihil mo yun, you are allowing yourself to be released from certain area of your past para maka-move forward ka. Unhealed pains, to be honest, ang nakikita ko doon, is para siyang chain, para siyang kadena, na kung gano'ng kahaba lang yung kadena, hanggang doon lang aabot yung pwede mong ma-achieve. But kung iisa-isahin mo nung sisira yun, it will allow you to expand little by little by little. Sabi nga little progress is still progress. Now, your hopes and fears, we have here the 8 of Swords and TikTok. Well, na parang gusto mo nang makawala sa mind mo, do sa mindset mo. Gusto mo makawala from that mind that is continuously telling you na hindi pwede kasi baka ganito, may ganyan. Actually, pwede ko suggest sa'yo dito is banishing eh. Banishing and healing, removing of negative energies. Hindi masama na meron tayong sharp na pag-iisip. Actually, gift yan ng universe natin. Pero sabi nga, anything na sobra is bad. Anything na sumasobra sa life natin is actually going to destroy us. Masarap na ganito. Masarap ang asukal. Masarap ang matamis. Pero pag sumobra yan, diabetes. Same thing there with knowledge. Too much knowledge can actually dry us up eh. There's this poem na nabasa ko. With an unknown author. Medyo rephrase ko lang siya. Sabi niya, parang yung rephrase ko, sabi doon, if you have the knowledge but not the wisdom, you dry up. If you have the wisdom but not the knowledge, you blow up. But if you have the knowledge and the wisdom, you grow up. Makes sense, di ba? Ano ba yung possible future mo? So we have here the Two of Cups and Unfinished Symphony. You know what? There will be a lot of things that nakita ko dito na puputulin ng universe in your life to give way to new possible connections eh. May mga ideologies ka na babasagin ng universe, siguro, kasama natin mga pamahiin, mga paniniwala na, siguro tawagin natin siyang limiting belief. Na kapag nabasag yun ng universe, at first it will be a struggle, pero once you get out of it, andun yung parang, hala, dapat pala matagal ko na itong nare-relinquish sa isip ko. And there will be someone or a person or a group of people na papadala sa universe that will have a major impact sa'yo in terms of your life. Sino to? Kailan ito mangyari? I-check natin siya sa extended reading mo. I already have your cards. So, tanda na, to access extended readings, i-click mo yung join button sa baba and you also have access to other benefits. And tanda natin yung readings that we had, they are for guidance purposes, use your free will wisely. Ibra, maraming salamat sa'yo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be. And hope to see you in our extended reading. From Baguio City, you have a great day po. I'll see you soon.